Good afternoon, third day. How are you doing today? Welcome to our dictation number 2. At this point, you should be sitting down in a very comfortable place with your sheet of paper, the date written down, and the title, dictation number 2. Get ready. We are going to start in 3, 2, 1. Sentence 1. We can find penguins, toucans, and jaguars in Argentina. We can find penguins, toucans, and jaguars in Argentina. Sentence 2. The Atlantic Ocean borders America, Europe, and Africa. The Atlantic Ocean borders America, Europe, and Africa. Sentence 3. Oceans are bodies of water. Oceans are bodies of water. Sentence 4. We live on planet Earth. We live on planet Earth. Sentence number 5, and this is the end. Continents are large areas of land. Continents are large areas of land. I will repeat the 5 sentences all together one more time. Remember to separate each sentence with a full stop. We can find penguins, toucans, and jaguars in Argentina. The Atlantic Ocean borders America, Europe, and Africa. Oceans are bodies of water. We live on planet Earth. Continents are large areas of land. This is the end of dictation number 2. Please go and open your green copybook and check your work. You can take a picture while you correct your dictation and send it to me after. Bye-bye.